Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to watch YouTube videos while using other apps. And for this you need to do two things. The first thing is go to settings. From here scroll to or click on general. And from here click on picture in picture and make sure that start pip automatically is turned on. Then the other thing that we need to do is go to YouTube. Then click on your profile pic right in the bottom, click on the wheel, click on general, and when you have YouTube Premium, there is standing just right here, turn on pip or turn on picture in picture mode. So guys, I am here also to help you out and tell you the truth. Without YouTube Premium, this is not possible. With YouTube Premium, this is possible. Because since 2024, they fixed this option and they want you to buy YouTube Premium. So after this, it works and you can watch YouTube videos while using other apps. So stop searching for the free way, you need to pay for it. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.